I'm gonna chop some garlic to start off my curry goat. Chop in some onions. Alright, gonna have my onions sauteed. Alright, just, you know, the authentic Jamaican way we burn our curry in the oil. So this is better pot curry, by the way. And let's see. So now this is my goat that has been seasoned for almost 48 hours. So it's well marinated, well seasoned to the bone. I'm adding the last of my natural seasonings to the goat to finish it off. I have blended ginger and garlic, carrots, onions, fresh thyme, and green onions also.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the goat almost.
Yeah, it's almost done. Just gonna simmer a little. And then gonna add a little bit of water.